guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm JaMya, and on my channel I post every Wednesday and Friday. So in today's video, as you guys have read by the title, I'm showing you guys my effortless no foundation makeup routine. This is basically how I normally would do my makeup if I don't feel like putting on any foundation. 9 times out of 10, I'm basically going for this look because it really does not even take that long. So if you guys want to see how I got this effortless makeup look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first, and let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay guys, so first what I like to do is prep my face. I already prepped my face. It's kind of look glowing already. I like to use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Eye Repair. This is for the nighttime, but your girl gets no sleep at this point. Just have a really weird sleeping schedule, so I use this morning and night. It's on under my eyes just to kind of help with the darkness, my circles, and for SPF because you're supposed to wear SPF every day, and if you're not, what are you doing? I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise Day Cream, and it's with the SPF of 30. So yeah, I just prep my face with that first. Since I already applied that to my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my brow products. I'm using the Morphe brow cream. I literally always use this. Before I get into filling in my brows, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows with this brow gel, and it just keeps my brows in place. Sometimes I like to use it before and after. And I'm just gonna let that dry for a few seconds. I'm gonna come up a little bit just so you guys can see my brows. I already have a brow routine up here, but I'm just gonna still show you guys how I fill in my brows a little bit. But I basically just fill them in really lightly. To clean up my brows, I am just going to using the e.l.f. concealer and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I'm just going to take this and put it on the back of my hand. Just do the same thing with the e.l.f. concealer. I'm just going to mix up both of the concealers and put it right up under my brows. Now I'm just going to blend to clean up my brows. Thing to the other eye, just blend out my brows with my brush. So now that we're finished with the brows, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with my Instant Age Rewind concealer. The rest of that little guy. I'm gonna put it right up under my eyes, around my nose, a little on my chin, and down my nose. Really just anywhere where I have like discoloration, redness. Really, like, this is basically my foundation, so I just put it like in the areas where I'm going to need a little bit of extra coverage. I'm just going to blend in with my Real Technique sponge first. Down my nose, and then go up on my forehead with the rest of the product. I'm just going to go up on my forehead and then just fix up my nose. I'm just gonna take my brush and just blend the rest of the product that I didn't get, and just blend all of that in, like right up under my eye, on my nose, pretty much everywhere. I wanna brighten up my under eyes. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer, my Revlon Candid concealer, and I'm just gonna put both of them on the back of my hand and just put it like right up under my eye. And that's basically it. I'm just going to let my under eyes set for a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks a little bit. Adding a little bit on my nose. Now I'm just going to go back in with my concealer and blend that out. Go in with my setting powder, and this is by Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just basically setting it like normal in the normal areas where I set my face, because it still gets oily regardless if I use a foundation or not. I'm going to set my face like normal, but using less powder than normal because we're keeping it natural. Now that we set our face, I'm just going to go back in with my bronzer. Bronze up my nose because You gotta have the nose looking snatched. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that into my eyes just to add some color. And I'm putting that right in my crease. And just really like all over my lid, because this is pretty much all we do to the eyes. When I'm doing my normal eye looks, well, my pretty much effortless eye looks, I'm just putting some bronzer on my eyes. A little bit of this bronzer, and put it right up under my lower lash line, just a little bit to bring some color into my under eye. And that's basically it for this. I'm just gonna take my blush, and I'm just gonna be using the Seraphine Botanicals blush. And just give it like a soft, nice color. So I'm just gonna get the temples of my forehead once more to kind of shrink my forehead a little bit. I cut my contour off camera a little bit, so I'm just making sure my face is just bronzed. So now I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter. It's gonna highlight my key point areas, and in my pictures, highlight be popping. You wanna know why? This right here, it literally changed my game in these pictures. You actually have to know like your highlighted points, like your key points in your face. And I am really like starting from my cheek and just kind of like work my way up. So I just do my cheek, and then I just gradually like go on the side of my face. And then you see how it just gives you that nice glow. That's what we want. And I just hit my lip like a little bit, just to give it an extra little glow. I'm also going to hit my brow bone for a little extra highlight. Try to get my other brow. And then I like to hit my inner corner, just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna set my face with this Evian facial spray. Pat. And this setting spray. And just make sure everything is blended. And this is what my face is looking like. For lips, I'm just gonna use my clear lip gloss, and I got this at the hair store, Xoxo. I just basically gloss up my lips. Now for my eyes, I'm just gonna use some mascara. Sometimes I like to use the Kiss lashes, but I can't find not one pair of my lashes, so we're just gonna use some regular mascara. So now that I'm done with my mascara, and I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit just to clean up a little bit of areas on my eyelid, I'm just gonna add in some more highlighter. And y'all probably like, girl, that's a lot, but let me tell you, in your pictures, your highlighter is gonna be popping. So why not add a little bit more, especially when you're in the sun, like your highlight just glows. My personal preference, you don't really have to. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is basically my effortless no foundation routine. This is normally how I would do my makeup. All affordable products. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more videos. And if you guys have stayed all the way to the end, I love you guys so much for that. But if you guys haven't subscribed already, then please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let's go ahead and keep on growing. Thank you guys for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.